Citadel Center.
It's a big office tower. Oh, look, that's it. It is a lantern. Look. I bet you it lights up green for up. I like these parking cars in buildings like this because you can.
Custom buttons.
Oh. Neat.
Dude, these look like they used to have the Series 3.
You're honestly right.
Like the concave. What
Yeah.
if these had touch buttons?
It really might be, that's a possibility. Hold up. These also have the old key switches.
They have the arrow on the
Two locked.
edge. Yeah.
Look at those buttons. Let's get the up chime. See, look, I told you it was a lantern. Oh, and it just fades out. That's cool. That's awesome. Anyway, that's it.